Okay, I thought I'd show myself today because there's a squirrel out the window. I have several days off from work, so I'll be heading to a nature reserve this week, and then this weekend I'll be going off to New Mexico for a backpacking trip. I really look forward to that. I probably look dark in this video because of the light adjustment. But anyway, I know my creationism ponage videos are more popular than my nature and animal videos, but I will continue to make more nature and animal videos because it's just something I like to do. I'll be making a video when I get to Preserve and another video when I'm in New Mexico. There will be other people in my group since it's the Sierra Club. And perhaps I'll even interview them on their opinions of creationism and evolution. Taking breaks, of course, filming nature and wildlife.